Hi guys, so today we're going to talk about our next essay, or actually speech, and this is what we're going to be doing. So a process essay or process speech is where you demonstrate something or a process. This means that it could be something like changing a tire, braiding hair, showing a chicken, changing a tire. There are so many different things that you can demonstrate in a process speech. Now, the essay part is where you're going to do the actual writing. So here is an example of an essay. And this person wrote about making Kool-Aid. So you see how there's an introduction, and it's not like step 1, step 2, step 3. It actually is written in the form of an essay. So please review the sample process essay, which is located on the checklist right here, before beginning your own. I've also provided you with some do's and don'ts for process essay writing. As I make this bigger. Okay. Here is an unacceptable answer. This paragraph sounds like a recipe, and that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for regular sentences and phrases as if you're talking through this process. So you don't say here's what you need, and then cook for 30 minutes. You're actually writing out this in an entire format. Please review this do's and don'ts before writing yours as well. I've also provided you a rubric here to help you with what you're going to be scored on for the process essay. So you need to have an introduction, the goal, or what are you trying to do, background information. So for example, somebody talked about braiding one time, and they gave us all the background information about where braids came from, the origin, the importance, the different types. So talking about that. Steps with clarity and detail, transitions between steps, your language use, and then obviously your mechanics and conventions, which is spelling and all of that. So that is your rubric. Today, your goal is to watch this video, obviously, so that's a good thing if you're hearing this, and then also come up with a plan for what process it is that you're going to do. You are going to first write the essay, and then eventually, probably next week, on Tuesday, we will begin those presentations of the actual process. So if your process is baking pancakes, you're going to need to bring in everything to make pancakes and to demonstrate it for us. You will have 2 different grades. You will be graded on the essay part as a written part, and your presentation speech part as a presentation grade. So they are 2 absolutely different grades on the same topic. If you have any questions, please call, text, or email me. There's my phone number. There's you can text or call, or there's my email as well. So please email or text me your plan for what your process is, and please include your name in the text because some numbers I don't have saved. And that way I can mark off what topic you're doing and who texted me. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good day.